Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D1, chapter number 9, exercise 9b, that is about the rate. In this class, we'll be learning and talking about what is rate and what is the difference between rate and ratio.
All my previous lesson, we can see that ratio is the comparison of two quantities of same kind, but when we talk about the rate is the comparison of two or more quantities of different kinds. So a rate is a special ratio that compares the measurements that have the different units. Important feature for the rate is that it uses the word per and the symbol this slash. Okay, so these are the key terms that my students have to keep in their mind for better understanding and differentiation of ratio and rate. So let's move to exercise. It's really important to read and understand the given question properly. Exercise 9b, question number 1, basic level says that a typist types 1800 words in 1 hour. Find the number of words that she can type, or he or she can type in per minute. Okay. Now the problem is that we have to find the number of the words that she can type in 1 minute. So let's read the question once again carefully, that total words are 1800 and the time which is given to us is 1 hour, and we have to find the we have to find the rate per minute. So for this purpose we should know the conversion rules of length and time and weight as well, because 1 hour equals to, students, how many minutes? 60 minutes. So let's begin the solution. So before going to the question, you have to read, understand and underline important terms of the question and think about necessary changes and requirements of question. Total words are 1800. Number of words typed in, number of words typed in 1 hour. In 1 hour are 1800. And now think about this 1 hour that can be replaced by number of words typed in what, students? Typed in 60 minutes. Why 60 minutes? That we need to find the rate per minute, and these two are actually the equivalent statement, they are same statement, and we have to find number of words typed in how much time? 1 minute. Typed in 1 minute, that is 1800. I'll try to perform the calculation without calculator, because this is also one of the problem for my students. Look, this goes with this, and 6 ones are and 6 threes are and zeros are, so 30 words. So her rate of typing is her rate of typing words per minute 30 words. Okay, I hope, students, now you are clear that in the beginning we said that rate is a special ratio that compares the measurements of different units. Like here we have the 2 units are the words and the time. So I hope you will be keeping these all points in your mind. And the second part says, if $120.99 is charged for 654 units of electricity, find the cost of 1 unit of electricity. Okay, cost of 1 unit or per unit cost we need to find. So that is the indication for the rate. So read the question and underline or block important terms. That for 654 units, total cost that we have to pay is 120.99. This is also one of the problem of the students, that they do not know how to translate the given information in related alternative words. So if 120.99 is charged for 654 units, so total charges for 654 units are, or total cost, but I'll try to use the words from the question as well. Total charges for 654 units are $120.99. And what is the requirement of the question? Charges for 1 unit, for 1 unit. Now what we have to do is that 120.99 divided by 654. This is a big calculation, student. If this question will be coming, this question can come in paper 2, where you can use your calculator easily. But if the examiner will be giving use similar question in paper 1, then he will be giving some suitable values. So what I have to do is 120.99 divided by 654. So this will become 0.185. They are the dollars.
That is approximately equal to $0.19. So the charges per unit, so the charges per unit of electricity will be equal to 0.19.
Moving to the next question, and that says a man pays a total of 4,800 in a flat rental for 3 months. Okay, find his monthly rental rate. Okay, a man pays total of 4,800 in a flat rental for 3 months. Okay, and what we have to find his monthly rental rate. Okay, we have to what we are getting from the question is that we are given that how much amount he is giving for 3 months for the rent, okay, of his flat, and we have to find the amount that he has to pay for 1 month. So what we will be doing is that total rent for how many months, students? For 3 months, $4,800. So rent for what? For 1 month, we will be dividing this 4,800 by 3. This is easy question, we will be doing it without calculator. 3 ones are, and 1 is given to 18, 3 is, and zeros are. Okay, $1,600. You should have good command on tables and calculations and your squares and cubes, because if you want to go for the O-level examination, you have to perform the calculation mentally. So if you are not good at tables and calculations, you will be in difficulty while you will be doing your paper 1. So his monthly rental rate is, so rent for 1 month, equals to $1,600. Please support your working with statement. This is also one of the problems, because when you will be going for your O-level examination or in any type of examination, you don't have to go and talk to the examiner. Your papers will be going to the examiner and they will be talking on your behalf. So your message has to be really clear so that examiner can understand your message in your absence as well. And moving to D part, D part says if the mass of the metal bar, which is 3.25 meters long, is 15 kg, okay, then we have to find the mass per meter. We have to find mass per meter. So what we have to do is, the given information is that the mass of the metal bar, which is 3.25 meter long, is 15 kg. Mass of 3.25 meter 3.25 meter long bar equals to 15 kg. Mass of mass of 1 meter long bar will be 15 divided by 3.25, and 15 divided by 3.25, 15 divided by 3.25, and this gives me 4.615, or approximately this can be taken as 4.62 kg. I hope you are really clear about today's class. These questions are equally important and helpful for D2 chapter number 1, that is the variation problems. So all the candidates of O levels, those who have to go for their O level examination, please, they have to watch and understand this chapter along with D2's chapter number 1. For better understanding of ratio, rate and proportions, please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.